Here's the view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A few, yeah. Well, look what I do, Uncle Steve.
4 weeks.
Huh?
Have enough?
Yeah, man, enough food.
Yeah, good.
More than enough. Me have to come watch how me do it.
Yeah. You worry now. You used to burn that home. Coconut oil. Keisha, these are only long time, you know. 1939. You are only about 9.
Randy, why you put some of the tennis?
No, man, let's watch the process.
That's the plate and eat the cold.
That won't burn
You
out.
want me to do? You chip up little pieces of wood?
Yeah, me ask about it.
Put it underneath and then do this.
Me not like
But you know whom you have dry wood see?
Yes,
You
yeah.
have piece of wood properly dry it.
Yeah, like you get ready. Let me ask you if you want to find out. Like,
Cool, good. Where I bring that from? That from the back?
yeah, man.
That's good, cool that.
I saw me like fire.
Oh, there's a fire going.
Like that, Kibai.
Yeah, man. Look on the fire now.
No, that's a good move.
You can't say me not teach you though. Yes, Uncle Steve, first you see that.
I can see the
Yeah?
Yes, further.
Alright, me I teach you the new ways of lighting fire, you know?
The coconut this hang here.
Yeah.
When you walk.
Just I teach them how to light fire the real way, you know? From cooking a piece of paper towel, tissue, whatever. Yeah. Get him inside yeah? And light him up.
Flambeau. You flambeau? Flambeau is a bottle. You picture it. You take away.
These are the real charcoal. Restaurant charcoal. The body there. Have a little barbecue. Granduncle to them. Yeah. Nice little barbecue. Now clean up the chicken in a minute. And, you know,
barbecue.
get everything going. Nice day today. Weather very nice. Yeah. Alright, see fire. Fire now. Well lit. Teach the old school people them how to light fire, you know? It's all got fussy I see that style.
Yeah, man.
Bad style, eh?
Yes, because
Right? Because
but even back over the light from
once
brown,
that set up on the thing, you can put your thing on because you smell the fumes from the other
Yeah,
thing.
man, no fume there.
It don't
Nice.
go up in the thing, you know?
Because me not bring the spirit petrol.
No, man, we're not using the light fire.
But
Simple.
listen, when man do thing back a yard, see, them have the spirit, but that listen, them full it up with a little bit of coal, right? And what they do now, they let that bun, and the time they bun it, they drink some white rum.
Yeah.
A little 30-40 minutes, right? And that bun out, all they smell good. You know?
What me do, me normally, when me there at Jamaica with them, me make some fire starter. So me get the coconut, take it out, and then we put them inside like use engine oil. The engine oil, the black oil. So me just put them inside like a little bucket and throw it pan. So every time I light the fan, I take one, light it. Never out. I season up them stuff there. It's tough, yeah, me chicken and stuff when me bring wings and one chicken, I season it. Now, me bring jerk season. Me bring jerk season. Me just want to wash them off. I wash them off and sink and salt them. Sandy, bring me cup, come and me have a one drink. Me bring them up on the table there. So. Uncle C, you have like all-purpose seasoning done? All-purpose Spanish and then
No downloading. I just crap.
So we have the one little whole chicken and some wings. Not much. Cause this a loads of meat anyway. So mainly me and Keisha and maybe Uncle say I go eat some and wrapping. The kids them not really, you know. So just I get the thing well prepared up. Mommy behind the camera. That one burn off it some more. No place me, all vanity, and sweet love. The only problem I have with this pan is like if you want to change the and it don't breathe properly like. We are just put him on him back like this first. Spread around. Uncle asked what a little thing there. The camera so steady. Yeah man, you look upon your bag. Yeah man, we're outside just in London City, you know. Yeah, my granduncle. So I'm doing a little barbecue, me and the kids. The weather kind of nice. Today a carnival, today and tomorrow. But me not go to carnival. I kind of just avoid certain things, you know. Only for crowd of people more and I can't take it. Yes, so tomorrow I'm gonna come back here so again by my uncle. Come with that vibe, because one of my sister forward down as well. So I go there tomorrow again. Maybe do a bigger barbecue tomorrow. More outside stuff. Cook some food outside tomorrow. So I just prepare something tomorrow more better. This was nothing like planned properly. We just say we are fast by and just do some food to eat, which the fastest thing I forget some chicken and some wings. Yeah, and just do something. Yeah man, the partner go on with them thing man, it's panning, you know. I don't want him to steam out too fast. See that? Mad thing, that is it. Outside. A long time I do barbecue, don't go. Okay. Let's drop some more coal in there.
Here all you are with me with Sean.
Okay.
Never leave me alone. God bless.
Yeah, tough. The panel way them design the panel, them design it so the air come from underneath the pan, come up and then you have some hole inside. So now I get enough oxygen when I put on the cover pan it. So just now I have to take out some of my charcoal. I have to put some charcoal in and I take the cover off so it can breathe better. So it will work fine now. See fire light up there now. So the wings them look like them are come on. I just turn the big chicken the off camera. So just leave it and make it go and do it. I'm going to have a little one drink and have a chat with my uncle. Alright. My brethren, I know somebody will make them, yeah.
And you put the hinges?
Yeah.
3 layers, fish, pork, chicken.
Fire! It's gonna kick up now. Huh? I cool them down.
Put it on there, right? So this is plastic.
Yeah. She looks so hearty, feeling fine. She like to smoke, sometimes shifting coke. Yeah. Huh? Big barbecue I go on over here there, so I'm gonna peep and see what I go on. That's around there. I'm gonna get invited, walk on. You know people business, huh? Yeah, so today is a nice day out with the family. You know? But just enjoy themselves. Top 10 till she was under my tent. Watch there. Sitting in the top deck till she was still the fuck. The same time I cover it down, it cool down the fire, so every now and then I have to take it off and make it wake up back. But it's going good so far. Cause I see chicken them a change color now. Yeah. And as I said, tomorrow again, we're outside. Yeah. Today I saw again tomorrow. Yeah, man. You eat, you come bounce, man. So you have to always move the chicken then, they don't stop a stick on it. I think them, the way them maybe clean it off. That's why. She's the queen of the ghetto. Yeah? Oh, yeah. You want to try it? Sunday. Try this, please. I get smoke up. Make a little nice little sauce. The my daughter just enjoy her great granduncle. That big bird that go and steam out, you know? Yes, side. Alright, right now I make up some sauce. Make up some sauce. I have some brown sugar there, so grace pepper sauce, some tomato ketchup, and some beer. Stella, any beer, no matter, just beer. So we have built one little sauce to eat the chicken, you know. Brush it off like this. Alright. And put some beer in this. Beer like we fry it up. Give him my regards. Give him my regards and every time you see her. Give him my regards. Give him my regards and every time you see her. Give him my regards. I said I want to go. I put a little bit of dirt seasoning inside. A little jerk sauce, you know? I put some jerk seasoning inside, but not whole heap, no. Not whole heap of jerk seasoning. Jerk seasoning kind of overpowering anything you going on. Yeah? Sauce are gonna be mad, man. Fully charged up. Won't you come on, girl? Come on. I hope you don't get no copyright strike, Panda. them song here we have play cause don't know YouTube see already. But me know a thing, once me upload my thing and me get strike, me just take it down back and re-edit and post again. That's how me do my thing. We don't really watch because I don't like say we have published something without the rights, you know. So we know if we get past that. Right man? Taste it and see what I'm missing in it. Little pepper your hot bad boy. Maybe I could dash little more sugar in it. The kids them can't name no sauce no. Sauce enough for kids. Kinda spicy. I come now I say half of the back of pepper sauce me that very nice. Oh my god, me never see one very hot one. Just as sweet as a panny.
Very hot.
Mamma mia. I put a little more sugar in it and kind of calm him down a bit. Yeah. Put little sugar in it. Yeah. That's why I said me every kid can have that one or not. They can't have this too, because don't mess, huh? Yeah. That one have the adult. Bobby, Uncle Carnival, okay? That one have the adult.
This stuff here.
Yeah. I drop a little more.
Oh yeah, second. Making beer.
Yeah. Why you try it? I put little more sugar now.
Vinegar in there?
No man, I beer do that man.
A beer?
Yeah.
But I vinegar. Alright. Yes.
So do you see what I say, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Huh?
No bad.
Yeah man, the sauce done now. My uncle say the sauce not bad. The sauce bad. You don't know we say stuff sometimes. The way we use certain words. Yeah. Cause it's not bad, but it's bad. The bread come a long way now. See it look now? Yeah. Juicy and nice, cause you don't know we not burn up so. But how we stay? Yeah? The sauce here so. Stella, hot pepper sauce, ketchup, and a bit of sugar and some. We put some jerk sauce inside as well. So that's a proper jerk sauce with the chicken. I'm not going to put none over the chicken because when that burn from the chicken is not a nice thing, you know. I'm going to put them out of the way because them are done already. Put them out the way. Get all of them out the way right now. Yes, I just a big boy left to go and soak out properly because you know say breast take long to penetrate. So make him go and steam out more. And then we are going to eat. No. I take off the wings, man. It's hot, Keisha.
That's not hot.
Yeah, that's okay. Make him go and steam out.
Why? No good.
The chicken.
This.
I was gonna eat that. Drop it on the grill. That sauce you cannot come now. But the kids, them is too pepper for the kids. Yes guys, as you can see, the time, I get a bit dark now. What time is it now? Oh, it's oh shit, it's after 8. 8:09 right now, but we still have bright sky. Welcome to England. This is how England is. Straight up until maybe 11 o'clock, the place still gonna be bright like this. Yeah. Let me try one more of the wings. Wings them nice, bad man. Bad. Big chicken go and steam out. Papa, it's already covered that is. The guys are eating now, you know.
And Chef Daddy made it.
One chef daddy.
There's only one Chef Daddy in the world.
You okay, Sonny? Yeah? Did I try this one?
Yeah, it's there.